PC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a lot of fresher recruitment updates and many internship updates. I have actually brought maximum internship updates in today's video. So if you are any fresher graduate or if you are having year of pass out as 2024, for all these category of people, there is openings in this video. So please do watch this video without skipping to the end, and please do subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. I'll be posting recruitment updates on our Instagram page also. Okay, so please do follow there also. Let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. There is actually openings from Genpact, Infosys, Yahoo, Accenture, JpMorgan's, HP, and Nokia. Lot of company recruitment updates is also there. Also, there is an AICTE approved internship update also in today's video. Okay, so without any delay, let's move on to the video. So process associate underwriting. So process associate is the first post. It is from Genpact. So Genpact is hiring for any graduate freshers. See, graduate in any discipline, freshers are eligible here. You need to have English language knowledge here, both written and verbal. And you can be from any graduation background, BCom, BSc, BBA or BBTech, any background is eligible here. The location is Noida, and this is a full-time job. Location you don't have to bother about as of now because it will be work from home only. The second job update is again from Genpact. It is for specifically BCom candidates. BCom freshers are eligible here. So the name is again process associate. Location is Noida. Okay. All these updates are very recent ones only. Okay, so if you are interested, just click on this apply icon and apply for this. The third update again from Genpact itself. Genpact is a company which is hiring a lot of people nowadays. Many people actually got selected from this channel itself. They are messaging me and telling me about the success stories. So if you are interested, you can also apply. Okay. Again, the third post is for process associate. It is for graduates in commerce, and freshers are eligible. Okay, so if you are interested, you can apply for these three updates from Genpact. The next one we are going to see is actually a bulk recruitment update from Infosys. So Infosys is hiring for 2019, 20, 21 and 22 batches, and the people with qualification BTech, ME, MTech in any discipline, or MCA, MSc with computer science, electronics, maths, physics, statistics, IT, these branches is hired for the systems engineer post. Then they are hiring for operations executive post, and the qualifications they're asking is BCA or BSc. Also, diploma candidates can apply here with branches computer science, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, and IT. So year of pass out we have already discussed. It is 2019, 20, 21 and 22. The last date to apply is January 17. Please to apply before that date. Okay. So this is actually a bulk recruitment update. The salary offered is also mentioned. 3.6 lakhs per annum for systems engineer and 2.2 lakhs per annum for operations executive. If you are interested, you can definitely apply here. The next recruitment again is from Yahoo. So Yahoo is hiring for associate software developer engineer. Okay. So here, let's have a look on the qualifications. Actively pursuing final year of Bachelor in Engineering or MCA. Any BTech candidates who is in the final year of their studies or MCA candidates are eligible for this post of Associate Software Developing Engineer. Okay. So this is the job eligibility. The location is Bengaluru. This is a very recent job update and it is a full-time job. Okay. So they are not asking for any experience or anything. They are clearly hiring final year candidates. Okay. So final years can definitely apply here. If you are interested in working with Yahoo, again, a very good company to start. Okay. The next recruitment is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for new associate IT help desk. So minimum if you are having 10th qualification or if you are having SLC, SSC, 12th or BTech candidates. From minimum 10th qualification onwards, you are eligible. Year of experience is 0 to 1 years of experience is eligible. So this is clearly a fresher recruitment update. It is for service desk or a IT help desk job role. Means it is a BPO related job itself. You will be asked to answer to customer calls, chat support, email support. That is the nature of job. If you are interested in IT help desk job, you can definitely apply here. 10th qualification is a minimum eligibility. Okay. Hyderabad is the location. Currently, it will be work from home only. The next recruitment we're going to see is from Nokia. So Nokia is hiring for software developer post. Location is Bangalore. Karnataka is the location. So here the qualification is minimum bachelor degree in engineering, computer science, electronics, IT. So all the circuital related branches and computer science candidates and IT candidates are eligible to apply here. Now experience they are asking here. Okay. So it is the software developer post with Nokia. If you are interested, you can definitely apply. The next one is again from Nokia itself. It is software engineer post. Here the location they have mentioned is Noida, Uttar Pradesh is the location. Other than that, there is also location in foreign countries. Okay. So here they are asking a bachelor's or a master degree in technology or computing, means any BTech streams are eligible, but you need to have 1 to 3 years of development experience in C or Java programming. Okay. So if you have worked with Java programming or in Java language or in C language, only then you can apply, because they are asking for 1 to 3 years of experience. Okay. So this update is for experienced candidates. Okay. Yeah. The next one is actually an internship opportunity from JpMorgan. So this is actually an orientation session kind of a thing. So after attending this, you will get to do an internship with JpMorgan's. Okay, we'll have a look about the details. So this is a JpMorgan mentorship program, and it is a unique opportunity to build skills required for a successful career in quantitative finance. Okay. So learn how mathematical modeling and coding are employed in the financial service industry. Okay. So we know that JP Morgan is a company mainly dealing with financial services. Okay. So here they will give an orientation to you about how the things is happening, what is the current technologies and current trends. They'll give you an orientation that is going to happen, and it will be happening on February 17th will be the event date. Okay. Now the eligibility is the program. This program is for students who is going to complete their degree in 2024. So they have not asked for any specific degree or any specific qualification. Any stream of students, whether you are from BSc or BTech or any streams with the year of pass out 2024 are eligible to apply here. And there will be a selection process to participate in this program. Selection process will be consisting of stage 1 aptitude test and stage 2 will be case study challenge. Also, they have given the dates. So if you crack this selection process, you will get to attend the drive. After that, directly you will get an internship opportunity. So this is a internship update from JpMorgan's. Okay. So if you are interested, you just have to click on this register icon and you can apply. Okay. Yeah, the next one is an internship opportunity from HP. So HP is hiring for intern. The location is Pune, Maharashtra is a location. And let's have a look on what is the eligibility criteria. So education and experience required is enrolled in university. So you should have enrolled in the university. You should be currently a student, or even the freshly graduated students or candidates can apply here. Okay. Yeah, they have given about the details. So this is for Pune, Maharashtra location. Job category is graduate programs and internships. This is a full-time opportunity. So this is an internship update from HP. Okay. Yeah. The next one is actually an AICTE internships. We know that AICTE is having a separate site for internships itself. That is the AICTE internship sites. And they post a lot of internship opportunities. In government sector, in private sector, part-time, full-time, all these various categories of internships are actually present in the site. So this time I'm going to share with you a call center executive trainee post. Okay. The company name is Blue Planet Info Solutions India Private Limited. This is a full-time internship opportunity, and the duration is going to be 6 months. Stipend you will be getting is 5,000 rupees per month, and the last date to apply is 29th of January. Okay, 29th of January is the last date to apply. Now, who all can apply here? Okay, so they have not really asked for any specific qualification. You should be having either this stream of graduation or that stream of graduation. There is no specific qualification requirement like that. Even if you are having diploma or you are studying in your course currently, if you could take a 6 months gap from the course and if you could attend this internship, you can do it. Okay, totally 20 opportunities is there, and for all the freshly graduated people who are searching for job, this is a perfect opportunity. You can definitely apply. Okay, yeah. So that's all for today's video. We have seen a lot of recruitment updates in this video. Mainly we have concentrated on the internship session in this video today. So if you are interested in any of this post or any of these updates, you can find all the links in description and you can apply for whichever link or whichever company you are interested in. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping you found the content useful. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share the videos with your friends also. Tell them to subscribe. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.